Hi everyone, Maggie in front
and Kay's behind the camera,
and we're here to talk about our first things really that came in our, well, part of our craft support range. These are our corner spaces. When you get them, you'll open up your little box like this and you'll see that all the acrylic is covered with a protective film on both sides. You just need to peel that off both sides so you can see. So you get 7 acrylic tools. I'll show you them all uncovered in a minute. And then you get 1 laser cut stainless steel one, which is the 1/8 of an inch one. And the reason that's cut in stainless steel because obviously 1/8 of an inch is very tiny. And we did try it with that and it worked beautifully, but we were worried about the durability of it. Yeah. So that's why you've got that one there. And at the bottom of your little box, you've got a little measurement guide here that shows you what size to cut your top mat when you're doing your easy matting and layering. And you don't just think these are for matting and layering, you can use them for alignments, all sorts of things. And to put them all back in the box, because we know there's been discussions on the group, take your metal one and pop that so the L bit's up there. Then start with your 1 inch one and you will see that that is wider. That is 5mm and the rest are 3mm. That's like your basic locking anchor one, but you can use that width as well with another one. So that pops in there. And you're going to push, as you put them in, you're going to push them towards the back edge of the box. So just keep going. Just keep going. And one more. And you're going to pop them in the box. And then it should just give it a little wiggle and then it will shut like that. And you can take these with you wherever you go.
Perfect.
So this is what they look like once they've been stripped, as it were. Okay, and you can see they're graduated in 1/8 of an inch things, so it's the width here that you're looking at. So that's 1 inch, 7/8, 3/4, 5/8, half, 3/8, quarter, and 1/8 of an inch. And the concept is really, really simple. So I'm just going to show you with some different patterns of square card. So these are different sizes of card. They've all been cut down in graduated shapes, so we're going from 5 3/4, 5 1/2, and going all the way down like that. So I'm going to take a piece of card, and I've got my 5-inch piece here, and I want to have a 1/2 inch mat all the way round. So I'm going to use my 1 inch one, which is like my base one for holding it in place. Okay, and once it's in place, it's in place. You can see it's lined up nice and straight both sides. And then I'm going to look at my little piece of paper, which will tell me that if I want a 1/2 inch border all the way around, what size to cut my piece. I will take my 1/2 inch corner spacer, which is that one. Then I pop that in there and lock it into place. And then I take my piece of card, pop it on, and you can see I've got a perfect 1/2 inch all the way around. So if I thought, okay, I want to do a, let's do a bigger one with a smaller size. Right, okay, so I'll lock that one in place there, and then I know because I've written it on the back, she says, on the back of this one. So, and you can see that's not right, okay? Can you see that? Because it's
not right, yeah.
It's not right at all, so I need to change my, let's try this one instead. That's not right either, so I'm guessing it's going to be this one. Yeah, okay. But if I'd looked at my bit of paper, I would have been able to tell you exactly what size I wanted, so you can work out your sizes. If you want an 1/8 of an inch one, so that's going to be tiny, so what, 3/4, 1/2. Okay, so get your basic one, I'll pop that there. Take your little teeny tiny one, pop it there, pop that on there, and then you can mat it on, and you've got a really nice, excuse the rough cutting there, but you've got a really nice border all the way around. And that's how the concept works. If you find for some reason that when you mat your cards, that something isn't fitting, you know, it's not exactly square all the way around, and you're using these, then it will be because something is out with your cutting. It won't be because of these, because these are so precise and exactly 90 degrees. So it's a really easy concept. So that's how you use them for matting and layering. But then think about it and think, okay, right, I might want to fix a die somewhere, so you can pop that there, you can pop that there. You can use our new, you'll see how they work in conjunction with our new precision placement parts later on. Let's just find a, just finding a whisker. Oh, hang on.
It's alright, I'll cut this cut out.
Oh, she's so weird. Right, okay, so a whisker. So I want to have this placed straight, so I can pop that there. I can tape it in place using our super duper. Okay, so that's locked on the straight line there, and then what I can do is just flip that round, pop that there, and make sure that that's flush on that end as well, so I know it's perfectly straight without having to mess around holding a ruler or anything else. But we also have another thing, which is our spine alignment guides, and you get 4 different sizes for those. They're actually designed for helping you align your spines when you're sticking them into your album. But again, you can pop them, you get 4 different sizes, but you can pop them, what's that, probably about 1/8 of an inch there. You can pop that, lock that in there like that, lock that in place there, you know it's straight, and then place your die across there. And I am thinking, Kay,
Oh yeah.
well, I'm thinking we've got the sizes we've got for the alignments at the moment are 1 inch, 3/4, 5/8, a half, and 3/8. I'm thinking maybe we should get the other ones done in between because they work so well with everything else now. So watch this space. I can see Kay twitching.
So if you put a packaging order in, that's one twitching.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, I can't believe how much the packaging is. Okay, right, so that's the corner spaces.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I'll finish.
Cool.